Okay, well now we'll try butcher. Let's just okay. So he starts with a double sword. Oh man. Alright, tell me. No, I'm just gonna pick. We'll get the homing missile. Homing's pretty good. All the weapons seem pretty decent. There's only the one I really don't like, which is the one I'm complaining about. That we haven't even gotten yet. There it is. Oh, I should have taken Vortex Blade. Fudge. Oh well. So this is the railgun. It only ever fires the way you're facing, and I don't like that. Because that means I have to think. This is a new run. I died, yeah. Oh, it's both. I died, and now it's a new run. I don't want any of this shit. I guess that's whatever. We'll take the Lucky Charm. So the passives don't have extra fuel costs, but the upgrades for them still do. Wow, wow, it's hard. There was a lot of enemies. Actually, one just exploded on me. It was rude. Oof. So, like, look how small this is. It's hard to hit with. I want to try and upgrade it, though. Maybe some of the upgrades. Oh, the global crit modifier? Yeah. Lucky Charm's not bad. It's real good. Oof. Just 100 damage from Railgun. What can we get from Lucky Charm? Increase all crit chance of all of our skills with rapid fire. So right now that's only Railgun. Increase burn crit chance. What the fuck is that? Crit on your burn stuff, which we don't have any right now. Global crit. While under 40% health, though. You know what? Let's go all in on Railgun. We're gonna make it work. No. There we go. You're a pretty good global modifier. Cleaver. Oh, no. Extra crit chance, even more, but also just 50% more damage. You're gonna scratch my ears? Okay. Cute. Uh-oh, not you. Those rude exploding boys. That's what took me out last run. I hate having to aim. That's the whole point of me playing these games, is so I don't gotta aim! Oh my gosh. Wider. Crunch. game does not agree with my assertion that I am going to focus hard on railgun. I wish you could get it on the other character. Oh my gosh. They are being very rude to me. That's so many crit chance. Let's double our missile damage. Poof! Knife bot, why? Give me a cool plasma gun or something. Uh-oh. Wave incoming! Also the cleaver just seems real low damage at first. Real low base damage, I should say. Oh. Get squished! Oh shit, I'm gonna get squished. Please go away, please go away, please go away, please go away! Final bolt inverts direction of the player's move. Oh! Yes! Yes! We did it! We found the secret! Just turn it backwards, stupid! Yeah, get rotated, dummy. I keep hearing the heavy eating sound. Yum, yum. I know that's not what that is, but that's sound. Yum, yum, yum. I wonder what the extra upgrades for that one could be now. Fire it double backwards. Oh, now it's forwards again. You messed up, dummy. Railgun, give me the railgun. Okay, so they seek now too. The last bullet in the magazine deals twice as much damage. But there's only one, right? Oh, but I can do a magazine size. Okay, you know what? Let's try that though. I'd rather have more shots. Maybe? That seems about the same. Did it do anything? What is going on? I guess it's firing a little faster. I don't know. It feels bad. I think it's so we have 2 shots now, but the cooldown is worse. So it's almost like we have 1 shot, but it might become better later as we do further upgrades. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, here we go. We got our first boss. Yum, yum, yum. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. We are danger. We are danger! We are danger! Please! Please, may I have a heart? No! Fuck. I don't know. The railgun. Let's just restart. We'll try again. Bum, 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 bum. 1 second. There we go. Okay. Hey Phoebe, how's it going? It's I'm definitely not dying terribly. And we have not strapped a lot of knives to our rocket. Let's get the vortex blade this time. So this is one, it's kind of like the feather blades, but you have eyes. You can see. They just go wah 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 wah, swoosh. And I kind of like the idea that there's unique upgrades for each one, but sometimes it's whatever, right? Crit chance of all blades, sure. Not terribly good on your book? Hell yeah. Thwomp. 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 Swish. More blades. Increased damage. Let's go. Ow. Squish. Okay, so we have all passives. You know what? Do we want to do some fire damage? I think we want to do some fire damage. Well, is that a good idea? I don't know. I only work here. So now we can set some jerks on fire. How's PoE 2 going? I never played too much. I finally got around to finishing PoE 1 a couple of years back, though. And then I remember I played a little bit of PoE 2, and it seems cool. So that's the one with the boat, right? You start on a boat, or you get a boat. One of the two. I'm not thinking of Divine Sin Original Divinity 2 either. I know that you start on a boat on that one too. You never finished PoE. That's okay. Let's get more crit. All of the crit. It is definitely boking. Okay, yeah, he's the only thing right. Thwomp. 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 Holy crit. Yeah, I hope good things for Baldur's Gate 3, but I'm waiting on it too. That's a lot, especially for early access. Oof. Alright, what do we get? Do we get scatter shot, missiles, or another passive? Let's get scatter shot. We like doing circular things in this build, right? That's us today. Oh, I need more water. I am very thirsty. Ow. Don't squish me while I'm getting water. Okay. Water achieved. Bear gaze 3. Probably. That's BG3, alright. Make a bard and find a dragon. No! Ow. Thank you for the heart. Thwomp. 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 Vortex blade. Blades spin faster. Lifetime. Move continuously increases movement speed. Let's go faster spin. We're all about the blades here, the gay blades. Oh, we got a big wave incoming. Big wave fall. That's the big wave incoming notification. Sounds of... I don't know, I'm just making shit up. Squish! Let's get Torch, why not? Increase burn chance with launcher. No, increase burn damage. Yeah, it's burn chance of skill attack blade! Beautiful, beautiful. I could use a little health, please, though. Thank you. Who's the door? It couldn't be me. Give me the red crystal. Jump, 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 jump. Thank you. They should name a pilot after me, or a mech. How cool would that be? We'll just have it be a cat girl. What? Heck. Crit chance. Yes, yes, yes. I'll never get that. I don't know what you're talking about. Sweet. 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 Ooh, I gotta be careful of those explodey boys. Oh, that's a boss. A boss hoss. I wonder, are the bosses just in the corners? Because I don't think it's depends on... Oh shit. Hey, what's up? None of those are cleaver. Oh, I'll get this. Lifetime increases damage. Yeah, we'll take that. That's fine. That's a big enough damage to make me say, okay. Well, this boss is... I'm not hitting it very much. It is just out of sync with my vortex blade. Don't you do it. Don't chomp me. 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 Yeah, get on fire, dummy. Ooh, there we go. Okay, now we're hitting him. Oh, that hurt so bad. There we go. Okay, faster damage, lifetime. That could be good. Chance of burn skills, increase burn damage. Sure. Swish! There's my cleaver. Give me my cleaver. Leave it to cleaver. Crit chance with blade. I like the area, I think. Because my blade is so tiny again. It's a tiny blade. Sonia would never like it. I'm sorry, that was a bad joke. I forgot I have this scatter shot. It's just been kind of there. It's just been doing its thing. Thank you. Oh shit, 7 seconds. Okay, I gotta be real careful. Oh, because of the... Oh, it happened again. Oh, this is dangerous. Okay, it didn't open up this side at least. Can I get a squish? I want to destroy that thing, please! Yes! We got it, suckers! Vortex. Sure. We'll make him stick around forever. Come on, one more factory. Give me the factory. I want the tasty factory. Cleaver. There we go. Cooldown, good, but that's not area. But you know what? We'll take it. Leave me alone. Bad buggies. I like the music in this. It's one of those, I think they did a good job of, it kind of fades into the background in like a good way. It's one that doesn't really distract you from the game, but it still gives you the feelings, the energy. Yeah. Oh shit! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! You know what does distract though? Me talking about it.